gente, how's it going? My name is Aguilar, and in this video, we're going to be learning a fun move called the tapping Cruzes. Without further ado, let's get right into it. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Uno, nice and slow. Tapping Cruzes. With the left leg, I go 4 on 1. Cross behind on 2. Back with the right foot on 3. Cross in front on 4. Out with that left leg on 5. Cross behind on 6, out on 7, and then feet together on 8, and then switch that way to the left leg. So now repeat the whole process with the right foot. Going forward on 1, cross behind 2, back 3, cross in front 4, out 5, cross behind 6, out 7, feet center on 8, and putting that way on the right foot. And now somos uno on that 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's try it again. Nice and slow. Tapping Cruzes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Somos 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Alright guys, and the main thing for this move is honestly making sure that you're really tapping on those crosses rather than placing your weight. Let me show you what I mean. If I'm going 1, 2, see how I'm just tapping here? I don't want to do this. 1, 2, and now notice how my body and everything just shifted to the to my side or to my left with my right foot. That right there is going to make this move 10 times harder to do for my next transitions. So you want to make sure you're really tapping. 2, 3, 4, 5, tap, 7, 8. Switch the weight there, of course. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 7, 8, and then of course somos uno. 1, 2, 3. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. It helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more educational and entertaining videos. Muchas gracias. And now, back to the lesson in halftime with music and then at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3. Tapping Cruzes. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. Here we go, tapping Cruzes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Try one more time, here we go. Tapping Cruzes, Heat. Ahí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To watch more videos of previous moves that we learned, make sure to click the video at the end screen to continue your salsa journey. Muchas gracias. My name is Aguilar. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.